The most popular sewing machine, Servo motor, isn't always the best. That's what most people assume. But when you actually dig into performance, noise, efficiency, and real-world use, the story changes completely. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 servo motors that actually deliver where it counts. Product number 1, launched 550W carbon brush motor. First up is the launched 550W electric servo motor. At $148.86, it's positioned as a mid to high tier option, and what caught my eye was its metal casing and included hardware mounting bolts, damper, belt cover, even spare carbon brushes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs at 3450 RPM with 3.4 HP, which is perfect for medium to heavy-duty industrial machines like Juki flatbeds or overlockers. Compared to traditional clutch motors, it claims up to 50% energy savings. That's real money back in your pocket over time. The side-mounted speed control lets you fine-tune stitching precision, especially useful when working with delicate fabrics or dense materials. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of machines, including twin needle and serger models. Now, some people might be turned off by the fact it uses carbon brushes instead of being brushless. That means over time, those brushes will wear down and need replacing, usually every 6 to 12 months depending on usage. Here's the thing though, carbon brush motors actually provide higher starting torque, which is great for thick fabrics like denim or leather. So while maintenance is a bit more frequent, the performance under load makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you're running a small production shop or serious home studio and need reliable torque without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want completely maintenance-free operation. Brushless is the way to go there. For the price and build quality, it's solid value. Product number 2, SMUDUKKIT 750W brushless motor. Now, if the Launch's carbon brush maintenance bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The SMUDUKKIT 750W brushless servo motor runs at $89.83, significantly cheaper, and uses a 3-phase brushless design. That means no brushes to replace, less heat, and longer lifespan. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers 1 HP 750W of power with reversible rotation, clockwise and counterclockwise, which is essential for certain industrial tasks like buttonholing or reverse stitching. It also includes a foot switch and controller, so you get full speed control at your feet. The big win? It saves up to 70% on electricity compared to old clutch motors. With 6,000 RPM max speed, it handles everything from slow, precise work to high-speed straight stitching without breaking a sweat. Now the downside. It's listed with 0 reviews and no detailed specs on compatibility. Some users in similar models have reported issues with controller sensitivity. Sometimes the motor doesn't respond smoothly at very low speeds. Here's the thing though, for general sewing and medium workloads, it performs reliably. This is perfect for you if you're upgrading from a clutch motor and want a quiet, energy-efficient brushless upgrade without spending over $100. Skip this one if you need ultra-precise low-speed control or are working on high-end machines that require tighter calibration. For the price, it's one of the best budget brushless options out there. Product number 3, launched 750W brushless motor. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for home and light industrial use. The launched 750W brushless servo motor, also $89.83, offers 1 HP power with a speed range from 200 to 6,000 RPM. That's a huge range, giving you incredible control from super slow to blazing fast. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wide RPM range means you can do everything from delicate embroidery like stitching at 200 RPM to rapid seam finishing at top speed, all on the same machine. It's brushless, so no carbon brush replacements, and it runs silently. Launch claims it won't disturb your kids' sleep, which says a lot about noise levels. It includes a controller, foot pedal, mounting parts, and even an English manual, which is rare at this price. Plus, it's compatible with most belt-driven industrial machines, including overlock and upholstery models. Now the flaw. The manufacturer is listed as Yuku instead of Launch, which raises a slight red flag about branding consistency. Some buyers have also mentioned the heatsink could be larger for prolonged heavy use. Here's the thing though, for home sewists or small shops doing 4-6 hours of sewing a day, it handles the load just fine. The aluminum heatsink does its job unless you're running 12-hour production shifts. This is perfect for you if you want brushless efficiency, wide speed control, and quiet operation without paying premium prices. Skip this one if you're doing full-time industrial production. Go for something with better thermal management. Still, for most users, this is a steal at under $90. Product number 4, Launch 550W brushless motor. Now, if you like the 750W but don't need that much power, this next one scales it down smartly. The Launch 550W brushless servo motor runs at $85.97 and offers 3.4 HP with the same 206,000 RPM range. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It gives you the same wide speed control as the 750W but with slightly less torque. Perfect for light to medium fabrics like cotton, linen, or lightweight synthetics. It still saves up to 70% on energy, runs silently, and includes overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, safety features you don't always see at this price. The pure copper coil and aluminum sheath help with heat resistance, and installation is straightforward with standard clutch motor mounting holes. Now the catch. It can't maintain speeds below 200 RPM consistently. The motor won't idle lower, which might frustrate users doing ultra-slow decorative stitching. Some have also noted the instruction manual could be clearer on parameter tuning. Here's the thing though, for 90% of sewing tasks, 200 RPM is plenty slow. And the included controller lets you dial in most settings easily once you get the hang of it. This is perfect for you if you're a home sewer or hobbyist upgrading to brushless without overspending. Skip this one if you regularly sew very thick materials like multiple layers of canvas. Go for the 750W instead. For everyday use, it's excellent value. Product number 5, SMUDUK-KIT 550W carbon steel motor. Finally, we have the SMUDUK-KIT 550W carbon steel motor at $148.86, same price as the first Launch, but very different build. This one uses a carbon steel housing and carbon brush design, weighing a hefty 15.5 pounds, which tells you it's built like a tank. The carbon brush system delivers high starting torque, so it won't stall when piercing thick materials. It runs at 3450 RPM with good speed regulation, and maintenance is simple, just swap the brushes when they wear out. It's also clutchless, so no belt slippage or sudden jerks. Now the downside, it's loud compared to brushless models, and at 15.5 pounds it's significantly heavier, not ideal if you need to move your machine often. Some users also report the foot pedal isn't included, which is a surprise at this price. Here's the thing though, if you're running a commercial setup and need brute reliability over silence, this motor won't quit. It's built for endurance. This is perfect for you if you're in industrial sewing and need a workhorse that handles abuse. Skip this one if you're sewing at home and want quiet operation. The weight and noise aren't worth it. For heavy-duty use though, it's a beast. So which one should you pick? The Launch 550W carbon brush is great for torque and durability. The SMUDUK-KIT 750W brushless is a quiet, efficient budget king. The Launch 750W offers the best speed range for versatility. The Launch 550W brushless is perfect for home users. And the SMUDUK-KIT carbon steel motor, that's for industrial grinders only. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Launch 750W brushless motor because it balances power, silence, speed control, and price better than any other. Avoid the SMUDUK-KIT carbon steel unless you're doing heavy factory work. It's overkill and too loud for most. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.